Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using the Chatgpt application and you have run into the issues where you can't actually upload your files or images, you are not alone. Whether it's an error message popping up or the application freezing when you try to upload, it can be frustrating, especially when you need to upload feature for your work or your personal use. So in today's video, I will walk you through some simple and easy to follow fixes for the unable to upload issue in the Chatgpt application. Whether it's a connection issue, setting problem, or any app glitch, we will walk you through all the different methods to actually solve this problem. Now, before proceeding into this video, I would recommend you check out the resources or the links of all the resources mentioned in this video down in the description. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first method, we are going to check the internet connection. This is the first and the simplest fix, that is, we need to check the internet connection. A slow and unstable internet connection can actually prevent uploads from going through. In order to check that out, you need to just open the settings of your device, and over here you need to go to Wi-Fi. If you are not able to find Wi-Fi here, if your Android settings are too complicated, you can just use the search bar in the top and search for Wi-Fi. Once you are able to find the Wi-Fi settings, you just have to simply tap on that, and over here you need to just make sure that you are having a stable internet connection. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data to see if that works. You can also try restarting your router if you are on Wi-Fi, or you can even try turning off and on your mobile data. You can even try this trick in which you will have to swipe down your notification bar and then tap on this airplane mode once. Wait for 5 seconds and then tap on this airplane mode again. So this will also help in the improvement of your internet connection. Once you have a stable and strong internet connection, you just have to launch your Chatgpt mobile application, then tap on this images icon, and from your gallery you just have to try to upload the files and see if it is actually working or not. If the issue still persists, you can try the second method, in which we are going to just simply restart our Chatgpt application. So sometimes the issue can be due to the temporary glitches in the application. So a quick restart of the application and your phone itself can actually solve the problem. So if you want to restart Chatgpt, you just have to come out of your Chatgpt application and you need to remove it from the background completely. After that, you just have to reopen Chatgpt application and wait for a few seconds. Then you just have to try to upload your files again to see if the issue is fixed. This step can actually help the resetting of the application and clearing any temporary issues that might be causing the upload problem. Now, another fix or another method that I can suggest you doing is to clearing your app cache, which can sometimes become corrupted and cause issues like this. So you just have to come out of your Chatgpt application and then long press on its icon. Over here you will see this I tab, so you just have to tap on I and then you will be in your app info. Over here you will see the option of clear data, so tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now in my Android device, I have the clear cache option in the bottom right hand corner, but you might be using some other brand's Android device and you may not be able to find the clear data option here. So if that's the case with you, you need to go to storage, and most probably in your storage you will be able to find the clear data option. So tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK, and you are done. Then you need to again relaunch your Chatgpt application and try to upload the images or the files and see if the issue is fixed or if it is still there. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.